Preparing for a move can quickly become overwhelming, especially when it comes to safely packing every item you own. From fragile glassware to bulky furniture, improper packing increases the risk of damage and delays. In this guide, we explain how professional packing and unpacking services in Cambridge simplify your move and protect your belongings from start to finish. Professional packing services in Cambridge, Massachusetts go far beyond simply placing items in boxes. Full home packing covers every room. Partial packing focuses on selected areas. Fragile-only packing protects delicate items like glassware, artwork, and electronics. Movers use high-quality materials, organized labeling systems, and careful wrapping techniques to ensure everything is secure and easy to unpack. Cambridge homes often feature narrow hallways, tight staircases, and strict building access regulations. Professional packing services in Cambridge prepare items specifically for these conditions. Proper protection ensures furniture and boxes move safely through confined spaces without damage to walls or belongings. Local expertise makes a measurable difference in both safety and efficiency. Hiring licensed and insured packing professionals protects your valuables and your timeline. High-quality packing materials, organized workflows, and experienced crews reduce stress and keep your move on schedule. Transparent pricing ensures you know exactly what to expect. No surprises. Whether you're relocating a home or office, professional packing and unpacking services save time and minimize risk. Better Life Moving provides reliable packing services in Cambridge, Massachusetts, carefully organizing, wrapping, and labeling every item to ensure a smooth transition. With the right preparation and expert support, your move becomes far more manageable and efficient.